Guys, samahan nyo kami and let's try tennis for the first time! So, nandito kami ngayon guys sa one court located at Tomas Morato. Mayroong tennis court yan inside. Mukha lang siyang small pero malaki yata siya sa loob. Let's go! Ganda itsura ng court guys. Color orange. Ngayon ay 2 p.m. Ganyan. May liwanag. So, ito ang ating racket thanks to engineer sa pagpapahiram. Yan, nagka-cloud chase na rin siya.
Relax lang. Left hand mo, alalaya mo siya.
So hindi gagalaw po yung wrist. Okay, okay.
One, drop. Okay, yan. Good job. Galing ni ma'am.
Pumasok.
Brush. Ganda. Go. One. Nice. Good. Okay, good.
Ay, dito pala.
Okay, good. Take your time. Brush. Okay, good. Ay, sunnable lang ma'am. Then brush. Ganda. Bounce. Bounce.
Ay, sorry.
Para mabrush.
High to low po.
Brush. Ganda. Ready. Bounce. Brush. Yan. Take your time. Pose. Then hit. Good job. Brush. Okay, good. Okay, continue your motion. One. And release. Good job, ma'am. Ayan na. Umaangat na. Ma'am, kapag sumasabit yung bola. Okay, you take a break. Okay naman, sir.
Yay! Makahit ako ng backhand. Siya mamaya backhand.
Init!
Sila naman guys, turn naman nila ng mga advance. Bolero si coach, advance na daw kami, napaka-mema. So next naman, backhand. Guys, mahirap pala ang backhand pag gumagalaw.
Yes.
Good job.
Alex Ayala na.
Dito pala kami kay Coach Brian.